on in Phoenix right now. It's 104 degrees. The wind's from the southwest at 7 miles an hour. And this is going to be an awesome day. I hope you're having an awesome day wherever you happen to be. I just left the location that we're renovating for our church. The renovations have come along awesome. I mean, they're doing great. We're going to get our carpet in hopefully tomorrow. The bathrooms are going to be completed, so this weekend they should be very close to having this thing done. It's taking longer than I thought it was going to take, but that's construction. That's the process of any kind of a project. It takes longer, it costs more, requires more resources, but you just got to be patient. Just bear with it. But anyway, it's exciting. Coming soon, the new location of Faith Rising Christian Fellowship, and I will keep you posted because I want you to be there. When I put those flyers out, I put that notice up there on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you happen to be right now. I want you to show up and see what God is doing with Faith Rising Christian Fellowship. All right, I'll keep you posted. Looking good though. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.